Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'll show you once again how to generate unlimited free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. So let's jump right into it. First, open Kie AI. I have also added the link in the description below. Once the site loads, you'll see an interface like this. Now, click on the Get Started button in the top right corner, and you can either sign up with your Google account or Microsoft accounts. It's completely up to you. But for this video, I'll go with the Google account and complete the sign up process. During sign up, it may ask you to complete a human verification. So complete it as well. After signing up, you'll see a dashboard like this. Now click on Explore AI API. A new page will open where you can generate AI images and videos with different models. Let's try text to video generation. So click on it. Below, you can see various video generation models like Seedance, Kling, Van, Happy Horse, VEO, Grok, and many more. But for this video, I'll go with VEO3. So click on try it. A new workspace will open where you can access text to video, image to video, and reference to video. Below, you can choose between VEO 3.1 Lite, VEO 3.1 Fast, and 3.1 Quality. But I'll go with VEO 3.1 Fast. Underneath, you need to enter a prompt. For the prompt, you can get help from ChatGPT. Simply open ChatGPT and describe your video idea. For this YouTube video, I'm using my own concept, but you can create a prompt based on the type of video content you would like to generate. Once your prompt is ready, copy it and paste it into Kie AI. Below, select the aspect ratio, video quality up to 4K, and video duration as well. Then finally hit the generate button. As you can see, the generation process has started. It may take a few minutes to complete, which is completely normal. Meanwhile, the video is being generated. Let me tell you one very important thing. You can log into Kie AI using your personal Google account or Microsoft account. It's completely up to you. This free tool, Kie AI, gives you limited free generations, either one or two, depending on the video model you choose and the duration of the video. Once your generation limit is reached with one account, simply sign up again using a different Google account or Microsoft account so you can get more free generations and generate as many videos as you want until this tool becomes paid. So let's wait for the video to finish generating. And here we go. Our free AI video with Kai AI has been generated successfully and looks exactly like the prompt I provided with excellent quality and resolution. So with the help of this free tool, you can create free AI videos without any watermark or paid subscription. The generated videos are also easy to download. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful and interesting videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.